Hello, everybody from Mrs. Molnar, Mrs. Marrese's, and Miss MacIntosh's classes. How are you today? I hope that you had a nice little mini break for Memorial Day. Did you do anything fun? Awesome. All right, so let's get ready. What do we need to do first? We have to say hello, right? So let's clap our hands. 1, 2. Good, Emma. Ready? Stomp feet. 1, 2. That's it, Alex. What's next? Pat knees. 1, 2. Great, Freddie. And help me to say ready, set, go. Wow, Teddy. Great job. Ready? Hey, hey, it's time for music. Clap your hands. Ready? Clap hands. 1, 2. Good, Christopher. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Stomp your feet. Ready, Jacob? 1, 2. Good. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Pat your knees. Ready? 1, 2. Good, Kevin. Hey, hey, it's time to sing with me. So let's sing la, 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 la. Your turn. Good, Adrian. La, 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 la. Your turn. Good, Lance. Ba, 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 ba. Your turn. Nice job, Aaron. Ba, 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 ba. Your turn. Good, Isaac. It's time to dance. It's time to play. So help me say, ready, set, go. Oh, hey, hey, it's time for music. Clap your hands. Ready, Ian? 1, 2. Good. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Stomp your feet. Ready? 1, 2. Good, Robert. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Pat your knees. Ready, Aaron? 1, 2. Good. Hey, hey, let's see who's here with me. So who is here today? I hope I'm not forgetting anybody. We have Emma, Christopher, Kevin, and Bryson, right from Mrs. Molnar's class. Mrs. Marrese, Alex, Jacob, Adrian, Robert, and Ian. And Miss MacIntosh's class, Freddie, Teddy, Lance, Isak, and Aaron, right? Did I forget anybody? I hope not. Teachers, let me know if I'm forgetting anybody, because I don't want to forget anybody and I want to say everybody's name so you know that I'm with you right now, right? All right. So let's get out our drum. Ready? Get out your drum so we can finish our hello song. All right, are you ready? It can be any sort of drum that you want to use at home. It doesn't have to be like mine. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? All right. Where is... Good, say your name. Ready? Good, and you say, here I am. Now you say, where is Miss Melinda? Here I am. Now together, it's so nice to be with you today. Woohoo! Great job. All right, so today in music, the weather's starting to feel warmer, right? It's starting to feel a little bit like summertime is coming. So I thought it could be fun to sing some songs that remind me of summer, right? Remind me of the different foods that we might eat in the summertime, like watermelon or ice cream, right? And some different animals that we might see this summer, like sea animals or maybe bumblebees we might see. Watch out for the bumblebees. No, but bumblebees are great because they help our flowers and they help the earth and they're great, right? Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what's first. Okay, everybody, so you might have noticed I moved, but that's because I want to show you a new instrument that I have, and it works best if I play it on the floor or on some sort of hard surface. So these, I'm going to show you these. These are called boom whackers. Have you ever seen these before? They're really cool, and each different boom whacker has a different note to it. So, do you hear that pitch? Can you hear it down here? little higher. The orange is a little higher. So we have C, D, and now I'm going to show you E, E, and now F, F. Then we have G, A, and now B, C. It's just like a musical scale if you played it on the piano. These are just tubes. That's all they are. They're plastic tubes. And I want to show you how you can make these at home. So, does anybody have paper towels at home? What happens when you run out of paper towels? You have a cardboard paper towel holder, just like this. That's what this is. I made, it says boom, paper towel holders. And it has a similar sound to this one, because they're about the same size. So a paper towel holder is about the same size as the note C boom whacker. This is a little bit higher. It's like a C sharp because it's a little smaller than this one. But you can make your own at home, and that's what I did. I took 2 paper towel holders, and then I painted them, and I had a blast. Izzy helped me. She made some too. And I want to sing a song about watermelon with you using our boom whackers. Now, if you don't have the materials to make boom whackers right now, that's okay. You can just pat your knees and clap with me. But if you want to, because I think it would be a fun activity, when your paper towels run out, and if you want to make your own boom whackers, this is a fun activity you can do at home. All right? So it's up to you. If you want to go make them now, you can, if you have the stuff to make them. If you don't have time, that's okay. You don't really need them for this next song. I just thought it could be fun. All right. So if you have boom whackers that you made, you can use them for this song. I'm going to use, since I have real boom whackers at home, I'm going to use them. And what you can do is you can go hit, hit, clap together. If you're not using boom whackers, that's okay. You can go pat, pat, clap, pat, pat, clap. All right, are you ready to try the song? It's a really catchy song about one of my favorite summer treats, which is watermelon. Who here likes watermelon? Me too. All right, so here's our song. It goes like this. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. I got some watermelon in my tummy, cool and crispy when it's sunny. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. Good job. Let's try that again. Ready? Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. I've got some watermelon in my tummy, cool and crispy when it's sunny. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. Good job. All right, now we're going to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Save some for me. 4, 5, 6. Your fingers might get sticky. 7, 8, 9. The taste is divine. Watermelon, watermelon, get in my belly. Watermelon, watermelon, get in my belly. Nice job. All right, here we go. Let's describe watermelon. Ready? We're going to sing. Here we go. Pink watermelon, cool. Watermelon, juicy. Watermelon, get in my belly. Pink watermelon, cool. Watermelon, juicy. Watermelon, get in my belly. Good job, everybody. Fresh watermelon, sweet. Watermelon, yummy. Watermelon, get in my belly. How are you doing with that beat? Are you getting it? Pat, pat, clap. Pat, pat, clap. Good, keep going. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. I got some watermelon in my tummy, cool and crispy when it's sunny. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. Good job. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. I've got some watermelon in my tummy, cool and crispy when it's sunny. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. Watermelon, watermelon, yummy. What did you think, guys? Isn't that cool? So what did you notice about the boom whackers? They are different sizes, right? So the pitch of the note goes up based on the size. So the bigger it is, the lower note you have. The smaller it is, the higher note you have. Hear how that's a lot higher because it's so much smaller? But they're actually the same note. They are both C's, but they're an octave apart. Do, do, right? So it's just like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Right? So I hope you get a chance to make your own do's. Do. At home, aren't they cool? All right, I was really excited about those. I think we might do another boom whacker song just because they're so cool. And you can make them at home in your house. How cool is that? All right, great job, guys.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Look who's back. It's Izzy. And we're here. She's going to help us with this song.
You can call me Miss Isabel.
Oh, yes, Miss Isabel. She is here to help us with our next song called Bumblebee. What kind of sounds do bumblebees make? Can you try to do that with us? And how do bumblebees move? Can you show them, Izzy? How does a bumblebee move? Good. So we're going to sing a song.
How do you make these bumblebees?
Bumblebees Buzz Buzz.
How
did I make them? What I did was I printed out these pictures, then I laminated them.
How do you get the picture?
I found the picture on the internet. You can find anything on the internet. Laminated them and then I added a little popsicle stick.
How did you get it?
On the computer.
Oh, you ordered it?
Yeah. Well, I just got it from the computer. Here you go.
Okay.
You guys might have been wondering the same thing. All right, so ready? So how many bumblebees do we have so far?
One.
Just one. Can you show us one? All right, here we go. I was sitting in the garden when I saw one bumblebee. He said his name was Oscar. He went buzz, 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 buzz. Let me see you buzz around. Buzz, 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 buzz. Oh, bumblebee, can't you see? It's just you and me. Oh, a one, a two, a 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see who else we can find. I was sitting in the pizza place when I saw, how many bumblebees do we have now?
2 bumblebees.
We have 2 bumblebees. Can you show me 2 fingers? Good. 2 bumblebees. They said their names were Jackson and Max. And they went buzz, 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 buzz. Are you buzzing around? Buzz, 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 buzz. Oh, bumblebees, can't you see? It's just you and me. Oh, a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see how many we can find now. I was flying through the air on a balloon when I saw, how many do we have now?
3 bumblebees.
3 bumblebees. Can you show me 3? Good. 3 bumblebees. They said their names were Kay and Ray and Faye. All of those names rhyme, right? And they went buzz, 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 buzz. Let me hear you. Buzz, 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 buzz. buzz. Oh, bumblebees, can't you see? It's just you and me. Oh, a one, a two, a 1, 2, 3. Oh, buzz, 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 buzz. Let me see you. Buzz, 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 buzz. One more time. Buzz, 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 buzz. Yay! Woo! You guys were such cute bumblebees.
Yeah.
I liked hearing you buzz, buzz, and I liked seeing you run around. Wasn't that fun?
Yeah.
Great job, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, everybody, so this is a song about some different sea creatures that you might see this summer if you go to the beach, right? So let's talk about them. Does anybody know what this is? It's a dolphin, right? And what color is it? It's a pink dolphin, right? Ooh, what about this one? A shark. Good. What color is this shark? It's a blue shark, right? Ooh, what about this one? Octopus, right? How many legs does an octopus have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs, right? Ooh, what about this one? A turtle. Oh, and a fish. Ooh, and a big whale. So I wonder if anybody's going to see any of these animals this summer. Maybe if you go to the beach or if you go to an aquarium. Or if you can't do those things in person, you can always look online because they have like virtual aquariums right now that you can look at and you can see all the animals that way, right? All right, so we're gonna sing a song called Do-Wah-Diddy-Diddy-Dum-Diddy-Doo, and we're gonna go and see all these animals. Are you ready? There I was, just sitting in the sea, singing do-wah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. All of the sudden there's a, ooh, who is it? It's a dolphin next to me singing do-wah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. Oh, he's gonna swim. He swam fast. He dove deep. He swam fast. He dove deep. Oh, that, what is it? Dolphin in the sea. Ooh, let's see who else we see. There I was, just swimming in the sea, singing do-wah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. All of the sudden there's a, ooh, who's this? It's a shark. It's a hammerhead shark. Ooh, a hammerhead shark next to me singing do-wah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. All right, repeat after me. He swam fast. He swam fast. He dove deep. He dove deep. He swam fast. He dove deep. Oh, that hammerhead shark in the sea. Good job. There I was, just swimming in the sea, singing do-wah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. All of a sudden there's a, who's this? An octopus next to me, singing do-wah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. Ready? He swam fast, he swam fast. He dove deep, he dove deep. He swam fast, he dove deep. Oh, that, what is it? Octopus in the sea. There I was, just swimming in the sea, singing do-wah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. All of a sudden there's a, what is it? A turtle next to me singing do-wah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy. Say dee. He swam fast, he swam fast. He dove deep, he dove deep. He swam fast, he dove deep. Oh, that turtle in the sea. There I was, just swimming in the sea, singing do-wah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. All of a sudden there's a, What's this one? It's a fish, right? It's a clownfish. Kind of looks like Nemo, right? All of a sudden there's a fish next to me singing do-a-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. He swam fast, he swam fast. He dove deep, he dove deep. He swam fast, he dove deep. Oh, that fishy in the sea. All right, I have one more. Are you ready? There I was, just a-swimming in the sea, singing do-a-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. All of a sudden there's a... Ooh, which one is this? It's a big whale, right? A whale next to me singing do-a-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. He swam fast, he swam fast. He dove deep, he dove. He swam fast, he dove deep. Oh, that whale in the sea. All right, let's finish it up. Do-a-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-dee. 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 Yeah! Great job, everybody. So what was your favorite sea creature that you saw? They're so cute. Look at them all. They're so happy. Hi, guys. Can't wait to see you this summer. Great job, everybody. Hi, guys. What am I eating? Ice cream, right? Ooh, what kind of ice cream do I have? It's pink ice cream. What do you think it tastes like? Strawberry. Ooh, I also have green ice cream with chocolate chips. Tastes like mint chocolate chip. What else do I have? Ooh, chocolate ice cream. So good. And my all-time favorite, vanilla ice cream. So we're gonna sing a song about ice cream today, and we're gonna count the different sprinkles. Do you ever put sprinkles on your ice cream? So look at this ice cream cone. What color? It's green, right? And it has one sprinkle. So I'm gonna try to find the number 1 and match it to my ice cream cone. All right, so we're gonna sing a song called Ice Cream, and you're gonna help me count the sprinkles. Are you ready? I know you are because you're so good at counting, right? Here we go. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yum. Ba-dum, bump, bump. Pick out a number. What does it say? We have the number. Ooh, what number is this? It's the number 5. Can you show me 5? And count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We have the number 5 today. Can you find its matching cone and put the number on the cone? Let's see. How many sprinkles does this cone have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Here we go. That looks so good. Oh, let's sing ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yum. Ba-dum, bump, bump. Pick out a number. What does it say? We have the number. Ooh, what number is this? 2, right? Can you count to 2? 1, 2. Today, can you find its matching cone? Oh, We have an ice cream cone. What color is this ice cream cone? It's pink, right? And how many sprinkles? 1, 2. So let's match it. Here we go. And put the number on the cone. And let's sing ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yum. Ba-dum, bum, bum. Pick out a number. What does it say? We have the number. Ooh, what number do we have now? 3, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 today. Can you find the matching cone? Ooh, let's see. Ooh, what color is this cone? It's like a whitish yellow. Almost looks like vanilla ice cream, right? And how many sprinkles? 1, 2, 3. And put the number on the cone. Now let's sing ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yum. Ba-dum, bum, bum. Pick out a number. What does it say? We have the number. Ooh, what number do I have now? It's really tiny. 4, right? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today, can you find its matching cone? Ooh. What color is this cone? It's blue. I wonder what that tastes like. Maybe it's like a Cookie Monster ice cream. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's count the sprinkles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And put the number on the cone. Nice job. And let's sing ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, yum. Ba-dum, bum, bum. Woo! So let's put them all in order. 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4, 5. I have 5 ice cream cones today. Maybe you can eat ice cream later today. What do you think? Do you like ice cream? Me too. Great job, guys. Okay, everybody, from Mrs. Molnar, Mrs. Marrese, and Miss MacIntosh's classes. I had a lot of fun with you. Did you have fun? Awesome. Well, now it's time for us to say goodbye, right? So will you help me sing it? All right, here we go. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Let's say goodbye to the music until next time. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. All right, help me sing it one more time. Ready? Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Let's say goodbye to the music until next time. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Now let's do a little medley and let's sing our other goodbye song that Miss MacIntosh's class likes to do. We're going to sing on knock. You ready? Here we go. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Goodbye, goodbye. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Goodbye, goodbye, good. Na, na, na. Great job, everybody. It's so great to spend time with you in music, and I hope that you have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.